What are the provisions provided in Purifier to restrict vibrations? To ensure a purifier can operate safely at extremely high speeds, up to 10,000 rpm, manufacturers incorporate several specialized mechanical provisions to dampen, absorb, and restrict vibrations. Buffer springs, radial springs. This is the most critical provision. The neck bearing, the top bearing supporting the vertical spindle, is not fixed rigidly to the frame. Instead, it floats within a housing held by 6 to 8 radial springs. Function: they allow the vertical spindle to oscillate slightly as it passes through its critical speed during startup and shutdown. Vibration restriction: these springs absorb the energy of minor imbalances, preventing the vibration from being transmitted directly to the cast iron frame. Vibration dampers, foundation mounts. The entire purifier frame is mounted on heavy-duty rubber metal dampers or mounts where it bolts to the ship structure. Function: these mounts isolate the machine from the ship's hull. Vibration restriction: they prevent external ship vibrations from the main engine from affecting the purifier and, conversely, prevent purifier vibrations from shaking the surrounding floor plates and piping. Precise ball balancing and alignment marks. Vibration is restricted at the source through meticulous balancing. Dynamic balancing: every ball component is dynamically balanced at the factory. Alignment marks: manufacturers stamp 0 or I marks on the ball body, hood, and lock ring. Vibration restriction: ensuring these marks align perfectly during assembly guarantees that the center of gravity remains on the axis of rotation. Tapered spindle top. The interface between the vertical spindle and the ball is a precision ground taper. Function: the taper ensures a self-centering, metal-to-metal fit. Vibration restriction: unlike a flat seat, a taper ensures there is zero radial play, which prevents the ball from shifting off-center during high-speed rotation. Flexible friction clutch. The friction clutch, or drive belts, provides a soft start mechanism. Vibration restriction: by allowing the ball to accelerate gradually rather than with a sudden jerk, the clutch prevents torsional vibrations that could twist the spindle or damage the gear teeth. The brake system. While it stops the machine, it is also a vibration restricting tool. Function: it allows the machine to decelerate rapidly. Vibration restriction: it minimizes the time the purifier spends in the critical speed zone, where vibrations are naturally at their peak. Direct answer to survey. Sir, the primary provisions to restrict vibration in a purifier are the radial buffer springs at the neck bearing, which dampen the spindle's oscillation, and the rubber foundation mounts, which isolate the machine from the ship's hull. To prevent vibration at the source, the ball is dynamically balanced, and we must ensure all alignment marks match during assembly. Additionally, the tapered spindle top ensures the ball remains perfectly centered, while the brake helps the machine pass through its critical speed range as quickly as possible during shutdown.